girl, just Stephanie P, whatever it is you want to say, and I am back with another video for you guys. As you guys can see by the thumbnail picture, we are making her nails match her hair. Now, this is not a tutorial or anything like that. This is just pretty much like a watch me work type video. But the kit that we're featuring today is from the brand Saviland, don't know how to pronounce it, but it comes with 12 different polygels, and 4 of them are glitter. So these are what the colors look like, and we are going to be using that fluorescent yellow and also that bright green, slime green kind of color. Like I said, this is not a tutorial or anything like that. It's more so just I wanted to come on camera real quick and just tell you guys, when I filmed this nail video, I had a hard time, an extremely hard time, because I think I mistakenly changed the setting on the camera when I had filmed a previous video, and when I went to film this one, like everything just looked so weird. So I was playing around with the settings while I was doing this set of nails. So if you see the color of the video changes, and you guys will see it, but if you see it changing, that's because I was trying to fix the camera while I was doing her nails. So it just, like the color of it looks like grayish, like sometimes it look darkish, more of a monotone color, and I did not know how to fix it. I was struggling throughout this entire video, but I really wanted you guys to see me do this set of nails, so I didn't want to play around with it too much, but I was trying, okay, you guys, I was like really trying, and it just was not working. For the life of me, I could not get it to work. I was like really trying to fix the settings, so I really tried. So forgive me, you guys, it'll be fixed by the time my next video is up. See, look, like right here, like the color of the polygel, bright green, lime green, right? The camera is picking up on the lime green being so vibrant, but the color of her hand, everything just looks so dark and so washed out. It almost looked grayish, except the bright green polygel. So I didn't know what to do, but I didn't want to fumble around with the camera too much because I had nails to get done at the end of the day, and me filming them was just a bonus. So please forgive me, you guys. Another thing before I go, the polygel kit. Now, I love the colors of this polygel kit. I think they're super gorgeous, especially for spring, summertime. Like, these colors are gorgeous. However, the polygel consistency was more on the loose, runny side, and I think by far this is the most loose, runny consistency of polygel that I have worked with, like, thus far, because it just was like moving all over the place. So if she tilted her hand to the left or the right, the polygel was running to whichever direction she tilted her hand, which can be a disadvantage for when it's time for you to cure the nails and the lamp. So, it was like very loose or whatever. And then not only that, the polygel wouldn't cure all the way through. I don't know what was going on. I have no clue. But like when it came time for me to file, like some of the polygel was like, it just wasn't all the way cured. So I had to fix it or whatever, and then had to have her keep sticking her hand in the lamp to make sure it was all the way cured. But other than that, like I said, I think the colors are extremely gorgeous. I think the colors are just they're great, especially for their summertime. So that was my only complaint when it comes to the kit or whatever. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let you guys finish watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Please help me get to 500 subscribers. Share this video with your friends or with whoever. Just share the video and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Position.